Security is extremely tight tonight. I just got to mention that. Yeah. I'm told there's concerns about attacks from both the opera and ballet communities.
Timothée Chalamet walked into the Oscars last night as one of the most talked about nominees of the entire season. He walked out with nothing, and everything that happened in between was one of the most uncomfortable nights any Oscar nominee has experienced in years. He arrived on the red carpet completely alone, no Kylie by his side. He took a few photos and kept moving without stopping to speak to press. For a man who spent months on the most aggressive Oscar campaign in recent memory, atop the Vegas Sphere, orange blimps, Empire State Building takeovers, the silence said everything. Then Conan O'Brien walked out and immediately made him the first punchline of the night. Security is extremely tight tonight. Conan told the audience, I am told there are concerns about attacks from both the opera and ballet communities. The camera cut straight to Chalamet sitting front row, visible red-faced. Conan kept going, they are just made you left out, judge. As a musician appeared, playing a beat on a sculpted backside, using a ping pong paddle at the Oscars in front of everyone. Within the hour, Chalamet and Kylie were replaced by seat fillers. They only returned just before the Best Actor category was announced, an Oscar-nominated actor walking out of his own ceremony because the roasting had gotten too intense. That tells you everything. The jokes kept coming. During the Best Live Action Short Film category, winner Alexander Singh stepped to the microphone and said, maybe it takes 10 years time, but we can change society through art, through creativity, through theater and ballet. Pushing deliberately as the crowd reacted, and also cinema. That pause was surgical. And then came the most loaded moment of the entire night. During the Sinner's musical performance, Misty Copeland took the stage and danced. The same woman Chalamet personally invited to promote Marty Supreme. The same woman who publicly said he would not even be an actor without ballet, dancing 10 feet away from him in front of raw pure karma. Then came Best Actor. Michael B. Jordan won for Sinners. Chalamet smiled and clapped. Crash under pressure, but the damage was done. Marty Supreme was nominated for 9 Oscars. It went home with 0. Roasted from the opening monologue, walked out for an hour, watched his biggest critic dance on that stage. Lost Best Actor 0 for 9. They ended the night at the Vanity Fair after party. Kylie in a black sequin Alexander McQueen gown, Chalamet in a white chrome hearts suit. He gave her a kiss on the cheek and kept his hand on her hip, still standing, still together. But last night was undeniable. One throwaway comment about ballet in February followed him all the way to the final envelope and cost him everything. What he does next will define the next chapter of his career far more than any Oscar ever could.